Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're building or upgrading your PC in 2025, you might have heard about XMP and how it can supercharge your RAM performance. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to turn on XMP in your BIOS. Let's dive right in. First off, what's XMP? It stands for Extreme Memory Profile, a feature developed by Intel that allows your RAM to run at higher speeds than the default settings. This means faster load times, smoother multitasking, and better overall system performance, especially if you're into gaming or content creation. But remember, while it's generally safe, always ensure your hardware is compatible to avoid any stability issues. To get started, you'll need to restart your computer and enter the BIOS setup. Most motherboards use keys like Delete, F2, or F10 during boot up, so keep an eye on the screen for prompts. Once you're in, navigate to the Overclocking or Advanced Settings section. This might be under a tab labeled OC, AI Tweaker, or something similar, depending on your motherboard manufacturer like ASUS, MSI, or Gigabyte. Now, look for the XMP option. It's usually in the memory or DRAM settings. Select it and enable the profile. If there are multiple profiles, choose the one that matches your RAM's rated speed for optimal results. After that, hit Save and Exit. Your PC will reboot with the new settings applied. One quick tip. After enabling XMP, run a stability test using tools like memtest86 or stress your system with games to make sure everything's running smoothly. If you experience crashes, you might need to dial it back or check your RAM compatibility. And there you have it. You've just unlocked extra performance from your RAM. This process is straightforward for 2025 systems, but if you're on an older setup, double-check your BIOS version. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.